How to log in to your AOL mail. Now in order to log in to your AOL mail account, just simply open your AOL mail application, and after opening your AOL mail application, you are gonna see this home page. You can also use the website of AOL mail, and after opening either app or website, you just simply need to go over this option of inbox. If you have used PC, you will directly see this sign in page. If you are using the website, you will directly see this sign-in page instead of the home page. Now after coming in here, in order to log into your account, just simply enter your username, email address or mobile number in here and tap the next button. And after doing this, it will ask for your password. Simply enter the password and hit the login button, and you will successfully be logged into your AOL mail account. This is very easy, and this way you can very easily log into your AOL mail account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.